Hello, and welcome back to Financial Management. This is Lesson 4, Credit, Part 3, How Interest Adds Up and How It Adds Up Fast. In this lesson, we will be covering how to calculate interest to see how fast it adds up in credit cards and cash advances. We're going to play around with some different scenarios to see how banks use minimum monthly payments and interest to make money off of you. Open up the cost of credit calculator. The link to this website can be found in Google Classroom Lesson 4, Part 3, where you clicked on this video. Here is the first scenario. Jose buys a stereo for $650 and pays for it using a credit card that has an annual percentage rate of 19.85%. If Jose pays the minimum monthly payment of $21.45, how long will it take him to pay for the stereo? What is the total amount Jose will pay for the stereo? What is Jose's total cost of using credit? In the cost of credit calculator, plug in the numbers and then click on Calculate. Now let's go over the math together. Again, Jose buys a stereo for $650 and pays for it using a credit card that has an annual percentage rate of 19.85%. Now we want to find out how long will it take him to pay off the stereo, making monthly payments of $21.45. It will take him 43 months to pay off the debt. The total cost for the stereo will end up being $909.54 for a stereo that originally cost $650. The total cost of using credit will end up being $259.54. Now let's scroll up and just change the planned monthly payment to $60 and click Recalculate. Everything else stays the same. If Jose makes monthly payments of $60, it will take him 13 months to pay off the debt. The total amount Jose will pay for the stereo will be $722.20, and Jose's total cost of using credit will be $72.20. Let's go over a different scenario. Sam here took a cash advance of $1,500. His new credit card charges an annual percentage rate of 21%. The transaction fee for cash advances is 3% of the cash advance with a maximum fee of $35. This fee is added to the total cash advance and accrues interest. First off, what is the total amount of the loan? Cash advance plus fee. Let's figure that out. Sam's cash advance is $1,500 times the transaction fee, which is 0.3, which equals $45. But the maximum cash advance fee is what? That fee is $35. $1,500 plus $35 equals $1,535. Now, let's use the cost of credit calculator and calculate the math. If Sam makes monthly payments of $65, how long will it take Sam to pay for the cash advance? It will take him 31 months to pay off this debt. What is the total amount Sam will end up paying for each cash advance? It would cost him $1,997.70. How much interest and fees will Sam end up paying? Sam will end up paying $462.70 in interest and fees. Let's scroll up, change the planned monthly payment to $130 and click Recalculate. If Sam pays the cash advance back at a rate of $130 per month, it will take Sam 14 months to pay for the cash advance. What will the total amount Sam will end up paying for the cash advance? Sam will end up paying $1,734.50. Sam will end up paying $199.50 in interest and fees. To get credit for completing this lesson, please return to Google Classroom classwork page and submit the Lesson 4 Part 3 assessment, How Interest Adds Up Google form.